All right, this is sort 28 from the blue book, and we're looking at Greek roots, telephone, photo, and graph. So let's look at the meanings of those words. Here we have tele means distance, phone means sound, photo means light, and graph means to write. So what's really cool about this sort is you're going to be able to start putting these roots together to actually see how Greek have helped us to form our words, and a lot of them we can get the meaning from it just by looking at the roots. So it's kind of a neat sort. Let's go ahead and begin here. So I'm going to quickly, actually, I think I'm going to quickly just sort these and let you get them copied down, and then we're going to talk about a couple of them. Okay, now that we're refocused. Photogenic. Now the other thing about this sort is that there's going to be some that are going to sort into more than one category because they have more than one of these in them. For example, telegraph. Actually, let's put that under tele. Oops. Microphone. Photo. Television. Graphite. Phonics. Photograph. Telecast. Photosynthesis. Oh, photograph could also, and photocopier. See, they can go in either category. And I'm okay with either. You're going to want to copy them down though, probably the way that I have it, so you have one set way to kind of refer back to at least. Telephoto could fit in both. Paragraph, homophone, phonograph, and 1 second, I still dropped one, so let's just grab this one fast. Okay, we have headphone. Okay, so again, see, autograph is going to be able to fit in both of these categories. So let's take a look at some of these words and their meanings, because again, it's a really neat sort this way. So I have some notes off to the side I'm going to grab really fast while you're pausing to copy this down. Okay, so let's look at the word television. So this literally means, tele means, if you remember, it means distant. So if we have television, which is vision from a distance, that literally we can understand it as that. Think about why you think it might be that. Well, because we are seeing things that are happening far away, not near us. They're in the distance. Let's look at another example here. We have telephone, which is interesting because telephone, which categories? There we go. Telephone means sound, because phone, remember, phone means sound, but it also means distance. So we're literally having sound that's coming from a distance, which is really interesting. These words have more meaning than just things we memorize. The word photograph is kind of interesting because photograph means to, if you remember, graph means to write, or in other words, to record something. So if we have a photo light, it's literally meaning that light is getting written. And if you know anything about how cameras work, they're literally recording the light. Light is a huge part of them, and so how cameras work. And so it's a real literal word. We also have words like photosynthesis. You don't need to know the big, long, drawn-out version of what this is because we're not in biology class, but essentially you may have learned it in a previous grade. It's how plants utilize the sun to stay alive and grow. And so one of our words that's not in here, but it's helpful to know, this kind of root, it means to bring together. And so in photosynthesis, it's literally bringing light together, synthesizing